Honorable Director Sir and Madam are being received by Academic in Charge Sumit Sir and Senior Teacher Subodh Nath to the spot with Guard of Honors. It was really wonderful and remarkable view to see our Honorable Director Sir going to hoist the national flag. It is the 77th celebration of Independence Day. Honorable Director Sir hoisting the national flag. The whole campus is full of kids holding national flags and showing their feeling of patriotism. Our national flag is ready to wave and is reminding us the sacrifice of thousands of people who died for the sake of country.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Once again, good morning everyone. Today I wishing the happy Independence Day. Already I said we are celebrating in our 77th Independence Day, and respected parents and all those who are gathered here. Now we arrange a little program only because the situation is not to sitting arrangement everything, being that the condition you have to stand there as it is like that. Otherwise it will be where the program we are conducting here or on the stage. Then let them stand according to the position they have to be. Okay? And respected sir, please, and the ma'am, please welcome on the stage where the arrangement it is given today.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, Academic in Charge Sir, all the teachers and my dear students. Today we are all here to celebrate 77th Independence Day. First of all, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. सारी जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान है हमारा, हम बुलबुल है इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. This is the day that every Indian feels proud. On this day, we got freedom from the British chains. We should never forget our freedom fighters. So now, without wasting time, let's start our program. Over to Suja ma'am.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Respected our Director Sir, Director Ma'am, Principal in Charge Sir, Academic in Charge Sir, dear parents and all the invited guests. Today, I feel honored and privileged to be an anchor of this remarkable day. Let's celebrate the triumph of our freedom and cherish that makes our India a unique country. So, I wish all of you a joyful and a prosperous Independent Day of the year. Now, let's move on to our today's program. For the first performance, I would like to call Master Riddhesh Kern from Standard First. Mr. Riddhesh Kern, may I have you on the stage, please? Give him a big round of applause.
Myself Riddhesh Kern of Standard 1. Today I am going to give a short speech on Independence Day. Today is 15 August and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British rule and today we are celebrating 77 Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Give him a big round of applause. That was wonderfully presented speech. Next performance, I'd like to call class KG1 and KG2 students to please come up on the stage. And I request the class teacher to please lead them on the stage.
Respected director sir, principal sir, all the teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sumit Kumar. I am from Standard 2. Today I am here to speak about our Independence Day. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for us because on this day in 1947 we got freedom from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh devoted their life for the independence of our country. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Give him a big round of applause. That was really wonderful. Thank you, Sumit.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी संगीन पे धड़कड़ माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी
From standard first, Sambhavi Kumari. Please come upon the stage.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sambhavi Kumari. I read in class 1. Today I am going to give a short speech about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He is also known as the father of the nation and Bapu. He was the greatest freedom fighter and under his guidance India got freedom on 15 August 1947. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Sambhavi, and give her a big round of applause. That was a wonderful speech presented by Sambhavi. Now, for the next, I'd like to call junior students with their patriotic group song.
Chakra from inside, the tricolor of India, flutter of pride. Saffron, white and green, it's all the chakra from inside. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा, ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Saffron stand for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace, green for prosperity and India for a dream. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace, green for prosperity and India for a dream. Chakra denotes growth and progress for another hour. The leader of nation of the world, our country stands tall. Chakra denotes growth and progress for another hour. The leader of nation of the world, our country stands tall. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा, ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Tricolor of India, fluttered of with pride. Saffron, white and green, it's all the chakra from inside. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा, ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, esteemed teachers, dear fellow students, and all the citizens of our country. Today we have gathered here to commemorate the 77th Independence Day of our beloved country. We celebrate this day with pride as we reflect on numerous sacrifices made by our ancestors to free our country from colonial tyranny. We honor the sacrifices made by our visionary leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bhagat Singh, and countless others who fought for liberation with unyielding tenacity and bravery on this auspicious day. लड़े जंग वीरों की तरह जब खून खौल फौलाद हुआ, मरते दम तक डटे रहे वो, तभी तो देश आज़ाद हुआ. Our sacrifice for freedom is a symbol of unity within diversity. We, the people of different caste, origin, languages, united and fought for our freedom. Now it's our turn, the youth of India. We must work on to end social inequality, poverty and illiteracy. Let us unite and fight against communalism, corruption and many other forces that jeopardize the peace of our country. Nowadays, in our northeast, Manipur, riots are being organized on the basis of caste discrimination and gender inequality. Today, I want to say something with all girls. Woke up. दिल में जुनून, आंखों में देशभक्ति की चमक रखती हूँ. दुश्मन की जान निकल जाए, दुश्मन की जान निकल जाए, आवाज में इतनी दम रखती हूँ. We the girls and women of our country are not weak. Many big and famous institutions, offices and companies are headed by women, like as present day Srimati Geeta Gopina, the Deputy Managing Director of IMF, International Monetary Fund, Srimati Madhipuri Buch, the Chairperson of Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. She is the first woman to head SEBI. Our Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, and our beloved first citizen, President Srimati Draupadi Murmu. They are the most motivated symbols for us. मैं भारतवर्ष का हरदम अमिट सम्मान करती हूँ. मैं भारतवर्ष का हरदम अमिट सम्मान करती हूँ. यहाँ की चांदनी मिट्टी का ही गुणगान करती हूँ. मुझे चिंता नहीं है स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की. मुझे चिंता नहीं है स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की. तिरंगा हो कफन मेरा, यही अरमान रखती हूँ. Our applause and thank you so much, Soumya, for giving us such a wonderful and motivating speech. As this is the day to remember our great leaders and their sacrifices. For their sacrifices only now today we are celebrating our independent year. Now for the next performance I'd like to call senior student with their group song led by Sakshi ma'am.
Concluding portion, then now with the prize distribution. The list it is ready here. We are the best students, their performance in the month of July. The name it is going to announce right now. According to the name, the please come on the stage and receive their prizes.
KG1 Rajneesh Kumar. KG1 Rajneesh
Now the
KG1
so the
KG1
1 minute, ma'am. The coaching son, one of the name it has been given for this way that is cancelled, so it is not possible right now. So please excuse them to it. Now I request Director sir to distribute the prize, please, and the ma'am also, please, along with you.
क्या दुश्मनी है इससे हमको पता नहीं.